What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Longhorn Wild West Shrimp. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need shrimp, flour, an egg, butter, mustard, pepperoncinis, sweet cherry peppers, lemon pepper, seasoned oil, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, and smoked paprika. Begin by thinly slicing 3 to 4 pepperoncinis and 4 to 5 sweet cherry peppers. Season shrimp with seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, lemon pepper, and parsley. Add an egg and 2 tablespoons of mustard. Add a half teaspoon of pepperoncini juice and a half teaspoon of sweet cherry pepper juice. In a bowl, add 2 cups of flour and season with seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, lemon pepper, smoked paprika, and parsley. Coat the shrimp, then place on a wire rack and allow to rest for 10 minutes. Fry the shrimp for 2 minutes or until golden. In a pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add peppers. Add 1 tablespoon of pepperoncini juice and 1 tablespoon of sweet cherry pepper juice. Saute the peppers for 2 minutes. Add the shrimp and toss with the peppers. And there you have it, Longhorn Wild West Shrimp. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.